Once upon a time in the bustling town of Safeville, two best friends, Sally and Wilson, were eager to explore their neighborhood on their shiny new bicycles. They had just celebrated their 7th birthdays and couldn't wait to embark on adventures together. Before they set off, Sally's mother called them over. "Remember, exploring is fun, but safety comes first. Let's go over some important road safety rules." Sally and Wilson listened attentively as her mother explained the rules. 1. Always wear your helmet. Before you even touch your bike, make sure your helmet is snug and secure. It protects your head in case of a fall. 2. Understand traffic signals. Red means stop, green means go, and yellow means slow down. Always pay attention to traffic lights and signs. 3. Use pedestrian crossings. When crossing the street, always use zebra crossings or pedestrian lights. Look left, then right, then left again before crossing. 4. Stay on the sidewalk. If you're walking, always stay on the sidewalk. If you're biking and there's no bike lane, ride on the right side of the road, close to the curb. 5. Be visible. Wear bright-colored clothes during the day and reflective gear in the evening. This helps drivers see you better. 6. Avoid distractions. No headphones or playing with toys while near or on the road. Always stay alert. Equipped with these essential tips, Sally and Wilson promised to be cautious. They started their ride, enjoying the warm sun and cool breeze. As they approached the first intersection, they noticed the light was red. Remembering the rules, they stopped and waited patiently. While waiting, they saw their friend, Samson, about to dash across the street without looking. "Samson, wait!" Wilson shouted. "Remember to look both ways and use the crosswalk." Samson paused, realizing his mistake. "Thanks, Wilson. I almost forgot." As the day went on, the trio encountered various situations. A bull rolled into the street, and Sally reminded everyone never to chase it without checking for traffic. They approached a railway crossing and waited for the train to pass completely before crossing safely. They practiced making eye contact with drivers at stop signs to ensure they were seen before crossing. By the end of the day, Sally, Wilson, and Samson felt proud of their adventures. They had fun and, most importantly, stayed safe by following the rules. From that day forward, they became ambassadors of road safety in Safeville, teaching other children the importance of being cautious and aware. Their adventures showed that with a little knowledge and attention, exploring the world could be both fun and safe. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!